both you and John Boehner made comments about the debt crisis, and it turns out that it's not as immediate as we thought it was. I mean, the president had just gotten finished saying that there's not an immediate debt crisis. I and many other of my colleagues ridiculed him, and then you came out over the weekend with Boehner and essentially said it's not a debt crisis.
Here's what I said. We're not in the middle of one right now. We're trying to prevent one. That's the whole point of our budget. What I've been saying for years is we know it's coming. It's an irrefutable fact. This is why the president had a fiscal commission. We're not in the middle of it. What happens in a debt crisis is your interest rates skyrocket on you. Your interest on your debt goes to the stratosphere, and you have to start cutting programs indiscriminately across the board. Europe, they're yanking the rug out from under the retirees. They're cranking up their taxes. Youth unemployment's 50% in some of their countries. That's what a debt crisis is. We're not there yet, but we see it coming. And so what I'm trying to say, and what I said this weekend, just like I've said for years before, is we got to prevent that from happening here.
But
so,
I understand.
It's not true that we're in the middle of one now, but it's coming, so let's prevent it from happening.
But why even get your colleague who likes you a lot, as you know, Tim Griffin, was on the show yesterday, and he said this.
The problem is you are enabling people who want to spend more by implying that the great European-style crisis, or saying that the European-style crisis is not here yet.
Yeah, well, so he went on to talk more, but it's just as a technical matter, you're right, and I understand that. But I think you do help the left a little bit, because Obama's going to come along and say, hey, Ryan and Boehner, they say we're not in a crisis right now.
Here's what the left is trying to do. They're trying to change the narrative to the point where we're saying, oh, there's no problem here. No need to balance the budget. We can just keep going on as we are. These Republicans are crying wolf. You know, there's no crisis right now. Interest rates are at an all-time low. If we say that we're in the middle of a debt crisis now when we know that we're not, then we lose our credibility. Because we're not in the middle of one right now, but we know what's coming. Every independent fiscal and economic expert testifies to this fact. And the point I made in the presidential campaign, the point I made with all my earlier budgets, is that we see this coming. We know what it looks like. Just take a look at Europe. And why don't we put a plan to prevent it from happening? That's the point. We're trying to prevent austerity, prevent a debt crisis. And and we still have a narrowing window of opportunity to put in place a plan to prevent it from happening. I just don't think it's credible to say we're in the midst of it right now when we're not. But the point is,
well, we have a crisis in leadership, right? I see what you're saying. Maybe the better way to do it. I'm not going to get caught up on this, but I think language does matter, because it affects how the narrative cuts through. So maybe
that's right.
A better way to deal with it is not even answer that question, but to say, look, we have a crisis in leadership.